That is gone. That is absolutely gone. Holy fuck, bro. Oh my god, the last guy really messed this up. Since that bolt down there is fried, if we hit 100, I'll buy a cold air intake for this car. And I will remove the stock ugly rubber tubing. That's if we hit 100 though. If I hit 100, yeah, custom cold air intake. If you guys want to see that, give me to 100. But yeah, I've pretty much done all the main stuff that I need for this car. The rest are mainly just cosmetic stuff. So I think it's time for me to actually move on to starting to modify this car. So yeah, that's the restoration, I think, pretty much done. Aside from the brakes, I still need to do the rotors and pads. But again, those stuff, mine is currently fine right now. It's just starting to kind of shake a little bit, but it's still drivable. So yeah, 100 subs, I'll install a cold air intake. Someone did suggest that I put the rubber tubing back on so that I can draw more cold air. Since I already removed my resonator, I can actually just stick the tube on to get more reach. Now, will this make a difference? Probably not. But, you know. Alright guys, tube's back on. Yeah, but you heard me. The bolt is, well, I don't know what it's called, but it's stripped. Can't get it out. So, if we hit 100, I'll go ahead and buy a cold air intake for this car. That'll be my first legit mod since I've pretty much done most of the work